All right, this is the part 3 for the R32 RB25DE, the turbo conversion. So today I'm going to focus on installing the intercooler piping and install the front mount. While I'm waiting for the turbo from my buddy's shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the intercooler piping. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have to remove the front bumper support. It should only holding 2 bolts on both sides. It should be straightforward. It should just come out easily. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so on the side of the front bumper support, you will see the bolt and the nut, and both of these are 14 millimeters. Same thing to the other side. And before you remove the front bumper support, make sure you unplug the plug to your fog light. If you don't have a fog light, then that's okay. If you do, this will be the first thing you do before the front bumper support. Otherwise, you don't want this cable to snap on you unless you don't need it anymore. So, alright, so let's go ahead and remove this plug right here, and then remove the bolt and nut. Okay, so I removed the bolt and the nut on both sides. I realized that there is one bolt is on the passenger side underneath the headlight. Is this one right here. Alright, so that's like a 10 millimeter. So once you remove that, the support, it should come out. So let's go ahead and remove that 10 mil. There is one more 10 mil bolt right there in the center. So I may have to get an extension to get it out. Once the front bumper support is removed, then I also noticed that on the driver's side, the front bumper support on this area right here, that is ready to be cut out with a 3-inch hole saw. I just got done doing the center punch. And as far for the other side, the little lump right here, so I have to figure out which side that I'm gonna need. So yeah, and let's go ahead and do some cutting. I just got done drill the hole, and I'm ready to cut out. So remember, with safety goggles, safety is first. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the hole. And there you have it. I hope I know what I'm doing. No turning back. Yeah, make sure you guys file all the sharp edges, and then spray some primer. That way it doesn't rust later on. Okay, so one down and one more to go. Right now, I installed the OEM J pipe for now. Just mark it up. That way I could put the intercooler piping. Hopefully that they are in their place. And other thing that I have to relocate are the horns. So I may have to relocate because this is where the front mount is going to be at. And so I'm gonna take these bolts out and relocate the horns. And I got a bracket that connects to the front mount, so I'm gonna put that on, and yeah, it's coming along. Now the horn It's been relocate, and I went on and mock up these intercooler piping. For now, they are not fully secure yet, and I want to make sure everything's all in place. Overall, it's not too bad. I got this HKS front mount for a few years now. It's been collecting dust in the storage, and it finally see light. All right, so at this time, I'm gonna focus on going to the passenger side, coming out to the hot side, and I'm gonna be drilling a 3-inch hole right here. So I'm gonna find out. Yeah, it's coming along. Guys, I just finished drilling the 3-inch hole and install the intercooler pipe. So I'm missing one more, and that is coming by the end of this week. And by that time, my turbo should be done as well. So I'm looking forward to it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is install the turbo elbow and the downpipe. And of course, install the master airflow. And so, yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. There's not much I can do now while I'm waiting for parts. And I just want to say thank you if you guys watched to the end. And if you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. That means a lot to me. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here. Until next time, see you guys.